This is a view from my condominium in Scottsdale, Arizona, but I live in Indiana, and I really can't put an antenna up here because of antenna covenants. We have a really nice view. I have a small UHF antenna, and there just is not really any way to do ham radio from this location. The Remoterig RRC 1258 MK2 will allow you to do this through the internet without a computer on either end. All we have to do to make the radio work is turn this on, and in just a few seconds it turns the radio on remotely at the remote site, and it will allow us to tune just as if we were there. And I can go from using the VHUHF side to hitting that, and if we want to see it easier we can push that and get a very large display. WD9DAN, K9SG.
K9SG, WD9DAN, go ahead, sir.
Okay, yes, I'm demonstrating how this thing works, and my wife is taking a movie here to kind of show the way it works, so I appreciate you coming back just to give us a quick one, and you're coming in real well, so it sounds good.
Like I say, you sound wonderful. I don't know if you're passing remote audio or not, but if you are, the sound is excellent.
Hey, thank you very much. Yeah, I remember our QSO yesterday. Fantastic. What is to operate the rules in the States to operate remote like you are? Is there a distance limit?
No, we don't. There is no limit, and as far as I know, there's no limitation whatsoever. You do have to identify yourself, and of course your home QT.
Hello, secure the 70 meter band. This is Delta Lima 3 Tokyo W. Delta Lima 3 Tango Whiskey, secure 17 and listening, over.
Kilowatt 9 Sierra Germany, K9 Sugar Golf.
Kilowatt 9 Sugar Germany, is it Roger?
That is a Roger. K9SG, my name is Gary, Golf Alpha Romeo Yankee, and you're coming in 5-9.
Okay, Roger, thank you very much for 5 and 9. Kilo 9 Sierra Golf, thank you very much for giving me a call. You have a beautiful signal, you 5-9 plus 5, sometimes 10 over in the last transmission. I think the conditions are absolutely nice this evening here in Germany. The local time is 20:31 or 20:30 in the evening, and I think the conditions are absolutely fine. The name here on this side is Todd, like Tango Oscar, Delta, Todd is my name, and my QTH is 100 kilometers north of Hamburg.
This is a display screen on TeamViewer, which basically allows us to use the barn computer to do control. And right now I have everything on there that we normally use except the amplifier, which is offline right now. And if you look at this is called LP Remote, and this allows us to turn on the power. This is the main power, and this little needle goes up when we do that, and this is what we call remote power, and that powers up everything at the barn so that we can get going. And now that we have that done, all we have to do is go to the K30, which is basically the K3 with nothing inside it, turn it on, and it takes a couple of seconds for it to come up, and it will go to the band that it was on, and there we are. Okay, now we're going to be in the ARRL DX contest. I have a big screen monitor up here just for kicks, and this allows me to see things very well, and I have several different programs running, but N1MM is the main one, and I'm going to try to work a few stations now. I'm going to turn down the bandwidth a little bit on the K3. I got this station tuned in. And I'm sending. Answer. There, I worked him. Then I can click on this and go to the next one. And that's CR3A. And I just worked him. And I can go down, see if I can work some other ones here. Wait for this guy to come back. I think it was OP4K. And I know he's a kilowatt, so I put that in. And he's waiting for that guy's call. We'll see if I can work him here when he gets done with this one. And there, I'm trying. Got him. Logging, and that's the way it works.